Welcome guys to Sunnyside PT and Wellness. My name is Lude. Today we're going to do something a little bit differently. We're going to address breathing and meditation, especially with what's going on around the world today. One of the common thread I'm noticing is that there's a lot of uncertainty and a lot of anxiety going on because we just don't know what's going to happen tomorrow or in a few months. So with that in mind, we just need to recenter ourselves and focus on our breathing and our inner self, and just know that no matter what's going on outside, we are in control of what's going on inside of us. So I'm gently going to guide you through some diaphragmatic breathing, which will not only help you to calm down if you have anxiety, but it also helps with ventilation in the lungs, which is extremely helpful with COVID-19. So follow along, and it's going to be quick and simple. The first thing we'll do, I'm going to ask you to place your left hand around next to your heart, and your right hand is going to go around your belly button area. And as you breathe, you want to go ahead and relax your shoulders down. You can keep your eyes open or closed at this time. And what we'll do is, as we inhale, the stomach protrudes out to allow oxygen to come in. So the stomach protrudes out and the lungs expand. So you're going to feel that by the placement of your hands. So right hand on the stomach or on the belly button, left hand on the heart, and inhale, allow your belly button to protrude outward. So inhale, exhale. As we exhale, the opposite happens. So we do a forceful exhale, belly button in. So inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale, inhale, and exhale. And you can also add some visualizations to that. So as you're inhaling, imagine you bringing oxygen to all your organs in your body. You're doing a self-massage to your internal organs via oxygenation. And as you exhale, you're releasing all negative thoughts, all the carbon dioxide from your body. So you're exhaling negativity and you're inhaling positivity, blood flow, and relaxation. So there you go, guys. I hope this video will be helpful to you. And once again, if you have any questions, you know where to find me.